Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain the social practice paper 1. So because in next week or in April 1st week we conduct the SA1 exam. On this purpose I prepared the social practice paper 1. Today I explain this paper. Understood? So there are 7 mains are given. I explain one by one. Understood? First one, multiple choice question. Vikramarjuna Vijaya. This book was written by what? There are 4 options are given: Pampa, Rajahala, Kautilya and Bharani. The correct answer is Pampa. The Vikramarjuna Vijaya, this book was written by Pampa. India, second one, India surrounded by water on 3 sides and land on one side is called what? Is called subcontinent, peninsula, coastal region or plateau. So that correct answer is peninsula. Understood? The India surrounded by water on 3 sides and land, and one side, the land on one side is called peninsula. Third one, Vardhamana was born in dash. Where is Vardhamana born? There are four options are given: Kundala, Vaishali, Kunda, Kamandala. Kamaldala. The correct answer is Vaishali. Vardhamana was born in Vaishali. Fourth one, the term politics for the study of state was used by first time by Greeks. Who the first term politics for the study of state was used by Greece. Greeks. Greeks. Fifth one, lines of latitudes are called meridians. Meridian and medians. The correct answer is option 3, meridians. What do you call? The lines of latitudes are also called meridians. Meridian. Meridians. Next, once again I repeat the multiple choice. Vikramarjuna Vijaya. This book was written by Pampa. India surrounded by water on 3 sides and land on one side is peninsula. The Vardhamana was born in Vaishali. The term politics for the study of state was used by Greeks. The line of latitudes are called meridians. Understood? Second main, fill in the blanks. The tools of the Middle Stone Age are called delicate stones. Stone tools. The tools of the Middle Stone Age called delicate stones tools. Second one, the oldest Veda is Rig Veda. The father of sociology is Auguste Comte. The continental crust is also called Sial. Microeconomics is the study of small unit. Understood? Once again I repeat, the tools of Middle Stone Age are called delicate stone tools. The oldest Veda is Rig Veda. The father of sociology is Auguste Comte. The continental crust is called the Sial. Microeconomics is the study of small unit. Understood? Next, match the following. So there are 2 columns are given, A and B. You match the correct A to B. Hangwo River. Understood? What is Hangwo River? It is in China. The correct answer is China. The cuneiform, it is cuneiform writing. It is a Mesopotamia. Cleopatra, the last Egyptian queen. Hammurabi, king of Amorites. Chinese dynasty Shang. Understood? So Hangwo River, China. Cuneiform, Mesopotamia. Cleopatra, the last Egyptian queen. Hammurabi, king of Amorites. Chinese dynasty Shang. So next answer the following. First one, name any 2 foreign writers. Who are the important? Name any 2 foreign writer. Here one is Megasthenes, second one is Yuan Sang. Name the 2 foreign writers, Megasthenes and Yuan Sang. What is meant by prehistoric age? The period before the discovery of the art of the writing is called the prehistoric age. Name the sects many of giants. Name the sects among the giants, Shvetambara and Digambara. What is the political science? Political science is a study of origin and development of the state and functions of the government, etc. Name the important early sociologist. Early sociologist Auguste Comte, Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim and Max Weber. Understood? and Max Weber. Next, name the important sociologist. Finished now. Next, what is latitudes? Latitudes is an imaginary lines which have the same angular distance north and south of the equator. What is latitude? Latitude is an imaginary line which have the same angular distance north and south of the equator. Mention the three layers of the interior of the earth. The crust and mantle, which are and core. These are the three layers of the interior of the earth. The crust, the mantle and core. What is meant by barter system? The barter system of the exchange the means the direct exchange of goods and the things is called barter system. What is barter system? Barter system of exchange. The direct exchange the goods and other things is called barter system of the system explained. Answer the following 5 to 6. So there are some questions are given. You write 5 to 6. Already I write. You think you are right in classwork. That is help to the read the or learn this question and answers. What is its meaning of source? How many types of source? The things we use by human beings in the past is reminded they have called the sources. There are two types of sources, literary sources and archaeological sources. Write about the special feature of Harappan sites. The Harappan sites are two parts. The western part, which was central and narrow, and it was at a elevated place. The eastern part was wide under the lowest level. There are this area had been called Lower Town. Every past had wall. Every part had a wall were made up of burnt bricks. The bricks were interlocked, so the walls were very strong. Understood? Next, how many mummies preserved? How are the mummies preserved? The Egyptian people believed that after death, the earth is a temporary and needed only to the prepare for the next life. So they prescribed to dead body in the smearing various chemicals and wrapped with thin cloth, and the entire body was practiced in this way and preserved for the long time. The protected and body was called mummy, and it would be kept in the especially defined the coffin. Mention the any two uses of studying the political science. First one, that it provide the information about the structure and the functions of the state and government. Second one, the knowledge of the political science help to raises the good leadership and good citizen. Next one, why is the earth called living things? The earth is a home for all of life, like plants, animals and human beings, both on land and water bodies, because it is situated in the suitable distance from the sun, range of the temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle, etc. So it is called a living planet. Next, name the types of economic activities. Explain any one. There are three types of economic activities. They are business, professions and employment. First one, the business. I explained the business. It is mainly concerned with the production and exchange of goods and service. Understood? So these are all the mains given in this paper. This is the practice paper 1. In next week I will continue. The next I will explain the paper 2. Understood? And also draw the Indian map. Draw an Indian map and locate the places. First you learn the draw the map and locate the places. You draw in your answer sheet. Understood? The places are Delhi, Bengaluru, Jammu and Kashmir and Ganga Nagar. So you locate the places in the map. Understood? So these are all the important means, children. You must read the 3 times this paper and practice in your rough note. Understood? So I think all of you understand about this lesson. In next class I will continue. Till now, take care. Goodbye.